The Philippine Preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideas and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and the regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace, do ordain and promulgate this Constitution. National Territory. The national territory comprises the Philippine archipelago with all the islands and water embraced therein and all other territories over which the Philippines has sovereignty or jurisdiction consisting of its terrestrial, and aerial domains, including the territorial sea, the seabeds and the subsoil, the insular shelves and other submarine areas. The water around, between, and connecting the islands of the archipelago, regardless of their breadth and dimension, form part of the internal water of the